In this video I visit the northern islands of Loch Awe in an attempt to capture the autumn atmosphere with my camera and drone. I landed in Fraoch Eilean, Eilean Beith, Inishail and the Black Islands. I happily set up the boat at my normal launch point, which is a lay-by off the A85. It was a lovely bright and calm morning and I was looking forward to seeing the autumn colours of the lochside scenery. It only takes a few minutes to set up the boat, as I'm well rehearsed in its assembly. A lightweight inflatable and 6 horsepower outboard being easy to carry from the lay-by, down a steep banking to the loch shore. The loch was almost a mill pond when I set off, but within 15 minutes of boating, the wind started to rise, and by the time I reached Fraoch Eilean, which is only a mile from the launch point, it was blowing around force 4 conditions, which instantly killed my plans of covering long distances, so I decided to spend my time videoing the islands. The following footage is the result of my efforts. I hope you enjoy watching. It was fun flying the drone in the blustery conditions, so I kept it close to the castle walls or shelter of the trees, except for a couple of 400 feet vertical shots, where the drone took a buffeting, but it did as I asked. Having droned Fraoch Eilean and Eilean Beith to death, I then headed for Inishail in the Black Islands, which were only half a mile away. The wind and waves helped me on my way until I landed on a sandy bay to the southern side of Inishail, where once again I let the drone loose. Lying in the close proximity of the trees kept my fingers twitching in the remote, but I think I captured the atmosphere of the islands on a blustery autumn day. Thanks for watching.